AliTrack kits vary and may not include all items shown in this video. Your kit includes 2 rivet lengths to accommodate any garment thickness. If using annual inspection stickers, apply sticker to the face of the colored annual inspection button. Place the button face down, then align the middle hole of the indicator attachment loop with the button post. Press the loop down onto the post to secure in place. Before you punch holes in your garment, we recommend using the practice swatch first. Choose a non-critical location near the outer edge of the garment where the holes will be within 3/4 of an inch from the edge, ensuring the hole punch will reach. It is important that holes are not punched through the garment stitching, as this will cause it to unravel. Holes can be on or off the binding. Place the AliTrack tag in the desired location. You may wish to mark the left side hole of the tag with a marker. Place the tag aside and punch a hole through the garment. Fold the indicator attachment loop in half to align the 2 outer holes with the button facing you. Place the AliTrack tag on top of the loop, aligning holes. Insert a rivet through all 3 layers, then insert through the garment hole and secure with a backer. You can punch the second hole directly through the tag and garment, then insert a rivet and secure with a backer. Lightly pull the tag to ensure the connection is secure. Your garment is now ready to be tracked with AliTrack. Let's run through those steps one more time.